My name is Charlie Ashton. I'm responsible for business development at a software company called Wind River, which is actually a subsidiary of Intel. Wind River provides a network virtualization software platform called Titanium Server, which we deploy to the market by working with customers and partners such as AD-Link. So there's a strong move within the telecom industry, there has been for probably the last 2 or 3 years, to move towards the virtualization of functions that they run in their network. And this move is coming about for 2 reasons. First of all, it will give service providers the ability to accelerate the deployment and the configuration of the services that they offer to their end customers. Basically, it will improve their agility. At the same time, it will allow them to achieve very significant savings on their operational costs or OpEx. So Wind River has developed a network virtualization platform which we call Titanium Server. And this is a software hypervisor platform that allows service providers to deploy virtualized network services that run at high performance, but at the same time that provide the level of uptime and availability that telecom customers expect. The service providers have a challenge in that the physical infrastructure that's been deployed in their networks today for many, many years pretty much guarantees very high level of uptime to their customers. And they want to make sure that as they transition to virtualized functions, even though those provide greater efficiency and OpEx improvements, at the same time they're able to maintain the level of reliability that their customers expect. We're here at Intel Developer Forum in AD-Link's booth, and we're very pleased to be here partnering with AD-Link, and we're showing a fairly sophisticated demonstration here. Rather than just demonstrating the Titanium Server, which, as I mentioned earlier, is a virtualization software platform, we're demonstrating a complete end-to-end solution to a very important use case which service providers are moving to deploy as soon as this year. And that use case is a virtualized customer premise equipment or virtualized CPE function. There's enormous financial benefit to service providers in moving away from physical implementations of CPE functions towards virtualized implementations, which they can deploy and change dynamically in line with the managed services that their customers are actually wanting to use. So we have partnered with AD-Link to run a virtual CPE reference design, which we developed along with 4 of our software partners, to deploy that on the Titanium Server virtualization software, then running in turn on AD-Link's hardware platform, which is optimized for that use case. So that's a quick introduction to what we're doing here. I'm going to hand off to somebody much more technical than me, my colleague Abhijit, and he'll show you a quick demonstration of how Titanium Server enables this virtual CPE solution to run with high availability and high performance.